and sweet. B for bunny with hopping feet. C for car that zooms down the street. D for duck on feathery feet. E for eagle soaring free. F for fox so sly and sneaky. G for girl with curls so neat. H for hen that clucks so sweetly. I for ice so cold and nice. J for jelly wobbly slice. K for kiwi small and shy. L for ladybug tiny and spry. M for muffin soft and sweet. N for night with stars so neat. O for owl with eyes so round. P for penguin on icy ground. Q for quail that scurries by. R for rain drip drop from the sky. S for starfish in the sea. T for tiger wild and free. U for unicorn magic and grand. V for violin in a musical band. W for whale in waves so blue. X for xylophone ding, it's true. Y for yacht on waters wide. Z for zebra with stripes so snide. Now we've learned from A to Z. Clap and cheer, happy as can be.